Alright, dolls, so you're going to need a mixing brush, a bowl, L'Oreal's 30 volume cream developer, and L'Oreal's quick blue extra strength bleaching powder. So next you want to flip your wig inside out and secure it with some T-pins, as you can see here. Very nice. And then next we want to start mixing. So I use just a little bit of the L'Oreal quick blue extra strength powder. Just a little bit goes a long way with the bleach. And then for the L'Oreal's 30 volume developer, it's kind of as much needed. I just kept pouring until, but you want it to be a thick consistency. You don't want it to be runny or liquidy because it will sink through the lace and it will just kind of mess your frontal or closer up, because you'll be able to see a lot of bleached hairs, and you don't want it. You just want it to sit on there. So you want it to be a nice creamy texture, so it can just kind of sit on there and just bleach the knots rather than sink through a lot. So you just want to keep mixing. I usually listen to music, have a little turn up section while I'm mixing it, or doing anything with hair. I love music, so just mix, mix, mix until it's nice and creamy, just like that. And yep, just nice and thick. I know you guys spend good money on your hair, so you don't want to mess it up. So yep, rather just thick. A little bit goes a long way, like I said. So the next thing, we want to start putting it on the top of the wig, and you want to pat it on there. You don't want to like push down too hard because you don't want it to sink through too much. So just nice and pat. It's gonna take time, but it's okay. It's worth it. And you always want to start from back to front of the wig, because that'll give you time to bleach the back of the wig. Because if you start from the front to the front of your hair, which is the part that everybody can see, would be like super blonde, and you don't want to do that. So you don't want to mess your wig up. So just start from the back to front and just take your time. And another thing, precaution, you're going to see in a second, I got a little bit of the mixture at the bottom of the lace. It didn't mess the wig up or anything, but if you just want to, not get any on the bottom lace, just put some Vaseline or some type of spray on like the lace part, just a little bit, so it can protect the lace. And just, yep, nice and patted on there. And then I left mine on for about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. But just keep checking. You'll see it'll start lightening up. And just like that. Looks good. And then next, we want to rinse out the bleach. I use the Shiny Silver Ultra Conditioning Shampoo and the Isoplus Neutralizing Shampoo Conditioner. And that just stopped the bleaching process. And it turned out really good. I really love my wig. This is Alley Pearl's 22-inch deep wave wig. This is my first time trying it here. I didn't even really need to pre-pluck it. I did just like literally a little bit, and it's just, I love it. I can't wait to try the hair out, review it, but I'll let you guys know. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe. Thank you.